Hello, welcome to a quick demonstration on the solution wherein you can post your order entry invoice in bulk. So as what you can see here, I have pre-created a sales invoice. This is an order entry transaction with the state draft. So this can be like invoices coming through integration wherein you would like to save them first as draft, and eventually you would be having that functionality to convert this sales invoices or order entry transaction to posted once the review has been done. So, and instead of just posting them individually, you can post them in bulk. So there is an application available that you can install. So essentially what that application does is create like this menu for you. Firstly, you have this export draft. So it's called bulk post OE invoices. When in the first menu is the export draft OE invoice. So this gives you like a CSV file essentially that you can upload in order to convert those transactions state from draft to posted. So this is the query itself. So you can just change the document docpar ID in here. So in my case, I have transaction definition called sales invoice. So that's why I designated it here. And you have page size of 100 CSV in there. So state is I, which means draft basically. And I have these fields. We have the doc number, doc ID, and cost event name. So essentially just reference basically of the customer name in our end. And yep, so let's have a look what it does. If I click on send request, so you will see in here that it only captured one because I intentionally created just one there. So the this is the doc number. Let's have a look if that's the one. Yep, SI0036. So we would like to convert this. Essentially, you would be having like more of these invoices in there that you would like to convert. And yeah, just to give you a proof of concept of what this can be done. So if I click on save, so it just generates a CSV file. So yep, so the CSV file in there, let me just open up that CSV file again. So this one here. So if I look at this and I can just save it. Let me just save it in my other screen in here. CSV. All right. So yep, it's already saved in just in my other screen though. But again, it will actually look like this. All right. And yep, let's have a look at this again. And let's try to import it. And yep, what can we do here? So let's try to import this one here. And let me just open up a duplicate screen. So if I go to the same menu, bulk posts, OE invoice, but this time it's going through the post draft OE invoice. So this is an import functionality wherein, the pre-prepared CSV file can just be imported. So those transactions will be converted. All right. So I click on spreadsheet file in here and desktop. This is the file that I saved earlier. So CSV file 5 there. It's just the name of the file that I generated. So I want it online so I can actually see if this is working or not. And just click on next. And under the select map, we have here the pre-mapped or the mapping table basically done for you beforehand. So you won't need to, although there's just two fields to map anyways, but won't hurt using that mapping criteria pre-prepared for you. All right. So I have it there. Draft OE invoice, which is doc no doc ID is a OE invoice key. And yeah, just click on import. Let's have a look what will happen. So what it does basically is that it's creating like custom records at the backend, and uh, and that custom record once created will trigger a script wherein it will convert the state from draft to posted. All right. So yep, looking at this one here, import completed. That's perfect. So row 2 has been imported. This is the doc number, which is a SI0036, and this is the ID of the record, custom record created. All right, so let's run again the API just to check whether this will still come up or not, right? So same thing in here. If I just click on send requests, there you go. So the response is blank. It's all because that invoice that we just uploaded has been converted into from draft to posted. But let's have a look again. I'll have it here. I have here the listing of the sales invoice. I have their state of draft. It's still here, but if I click on press enter and see, there you go. It's actually, yeah, it's not coming up there. It's all because if I remove this one, yeah, it's pending already in here. SI006, it's pending, right? Or yeah, it's actually converted. So you can already convert it, or maybe make it available for for collection as well. So yep, so that's the application that you can use if you want to bulk post order entry transaction. In this case, order entry invoices. Hope that helps. Thank you.